Hey friends, welcome back to Tech with Ryder. And today in this video, we're going to talk about how to make a debounce function like debounce function in Lodash. If you are a front-end, I think you have been used debounce function in Lodash, right? Let me explain a little bit for you about debounce function. Now we will go to eBay. Let's see here. When we type something, you can see when you type some string, it doesn't call the API immediately. It waits until you finish typing, and after that, like 1 second, it will call the API. Let's see it again. You can see after I finish typing, plus like 1 second, it will call the API. So that's a debounce function. Let me explain for you by diagram. So now for example, I have a debounce time like 1 second. Debounce time is 1 second. So from here to here is 1 second, right? From here to here is 1 second. It's the same with this one and with this one. So for example, when user types something here at this point of time, after 1 second, if user doesn't type anything, it will call the API. In this case, from this part of time to this part of time, user types something. For example, at this time, user types something. The time to call the API will be moved on here. It's not here. From here to here is 1 second. And so on. So now we will make a debounce function to do this one. It's okay. So now we have a constant debounce. This function will take two parameters. The first is function and the second is the time. So let time our ID. It will return a closure function. Argument clear timeout ID or and timeout ID will be set timeout function. Let me explain a little bit for you about this function. You can see here we have a timeout ID. This is a variable of outer class, and we have an inner class here, right? So during the debounce time, if the function is called, it will clear timeout and it will make a new timeout. Then it's assign the ID for timeout ID. If the debounce time ends and there is no function call, so the function will be resolved with the argument. Now we will make an example to understand how to use this function. I have a log variable debounce and the function is console log and the debounce time is 100 millisecond. Okay, so I think we need to make a sleep function here. Sleep. It will take one input param, that's e time to sleep. Return new promise result. Set timeout. Result after time in millisecond. Okay, so now I make a scene function. It's called main. So now we sleep 100 and call the log hello 1. Then I will sleep like okay. Let's run this source code. How do you think what is the output here? Main. How do you think the output here? If the sleep time less than 1000, the first function will be discarded. If the sleep time greater than 1000, two function here will be called. Let's try it. For example, the sleep time only 9000. The first debounce function will be discarded. So that means the result does only hello world 2, hello 2. Right, and now we will try with the sleep time less more greater than 1000. For example, 1001. Two debounce function will be called. Oh, let me save it. Run it again. I'm sorry, we should to put a wait key here. So now let's try it again with the sleep time less than 1000, like 900. So you can see here the log hello world 1, hello 1 will be discarded. So the output does only show hello 2. Not intake. Now I will change the sleep time to 1001. and the log hello 1 and the log hello 2 will be called because the sleep time greater than 1000. So let's try it. Node index. You can see here hello 1 and hello 2 will be called. Sorry, I just save the file and check again. Okay, so hello 1 and hello 2 will be displayed here. With a small shortcut, we make a debounce function like debounce function in Lodash. It's quite easy to use for make a debounce function.